Hello, grade 9. This is Batul, an English teacher from the Qarib school. So, in the previous lesson, we did some exercises on the activity book. Exercise number 1, 2, 3, 4. And now let's get started with the fifth exercise, which is crossing out the word that you cannot use in these expressions. So, number 1. We have any, many, a few of the same interests. So we look at the noun, which is interests. So cross out the word that you cannot use in these sentences, not that you can use, but you cannot use them. So the words that you cannot use, the word that you cannot use is any. Can we use any with affirmative sentence? No. So the answers will be either many or a few interests, because interests can be used with quantifiers used with countable nouns. Number 2, can you give me any, a few, a little advice? So advice is uncountable because we cannot say advices. Advice is uncountable, so we cannot use a few with advice because a few is only used with countable nouns, and the rest of them are any and a little. Both of them can be used with this sentence. Any is also can be used with the question form, such as can you give me any advice, or a little, can you give me a little advice? Number 3, be careful when you cross the street. There's so much, so many, a lot of traffic on the roads. So there's the traffic is considered uncountable, so we don't use so many. We use so much or a lot of. They are alright, but so many is only used with countable nouns. Number 4, I'm not losing a lot of any too much weight. So maybe I should do some, a few, any exercise. Not losing a lot of too much weight. Why we cannot use any here? Because a lot of and too much are more fit in this sentence. Can fit more because she wanted to lose a lot of weight. This is why she didn't say any, because her goal is to lose so much weight. But she didn't lose too much weight. This is why we didn't use any here. So maybe I should do some exercise, a few exercise, any exercise. So the right here is, I think we must cross out any, because we can say I should do some exercise or I should do a few exercises, but we can cross any. Any is not used here. So number 5, he's very popular. He's got many, a lot friends at school. Friends is countable. So can we say many friends? Yes. Can we say a lot of friends? Yes. Can we say a lot friends? No, because a lot must be preceded with of. A lot of friends. Now we have done this exercise. Let's move to exercise number 6. Complete the mini dialogue with any, some, little, and much. A. How much fruit should we eat every day? So, fruit is uncountable. So, we must use much with it because much is with uncountable nouns. I haven't had any at all today. Why did we use any here? Because this is a negative sentence, so we use any. I haven't had any at all today. I'm sure that's not very healthy. So number 1, much. Number 2, any. B. No, it isn't. You should eat 5 portions of fruit and vegetables a day. Have some grapes. So this is an advice for him to have quantity of grapes. He advised him to have some grapes. So some here can be used with countable and uncountable. So is it correct to use some here? Yes. Have some grapes. What would you like to drink? How about some orange juice? Can we say some orange juice? Yes, because some is, as we said, can be used with countable or uncountable nouns. A. Okay, just a little juice. Please. I don't usually drink a lot of juice. So because he doesn't usually drink a lot of juice, we chose the word here, little. Okay, just a little juice. Why didn't we say a few juice? Why little, not a few? Because little is used with uncountable noun such as juice, but we cannot use a few. But we cannot use a few because a few is used with only countable nouns. So number 1, much. Number 2, any. Number 3, some. Number 4, some. And number 5, little. Now exercise 1, second section, page 40. Are these sentences true or false? Correct the false sentences. A. There weren't any people at the concert. The hall was full. It's a false sentence. Why? Because the hall was full, so there were many people at the concert. B. I got a few coins in my pocket today. I can't buy that expensive laptop. It's a true sentence. C. He hasn't got any money. He's very rich. If he was rich, he wouldn't have any money? No. So he has got a lot of money, we can say. A lot of money or much money because he's very rich. D. I bought a lot of oranges. We can't make orange juice. No, it's false sentence. Why? Because must be I haven't bought a lot of oranges. We cannot make orange juice. Because if she had a lot of oranges, absolutely she can make orange juice. E. We haven't got much time for shopping. The bus is leaving in 2 hours, no need to hurry. So this sentence is false because the correct sentence is we've got much time for shopping, or we've got a lot of time for shopping. The bus is leaving in 2 hours, no need to hurry. This is the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.